Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If the first time you are stopping by, you are highly welcome to the family. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. In this particular video, I'm going to show you people the way you can vent the hook part of a full lace. So if you are still having issue with venting the hook part, this video is for you. So stick with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss any parts. Please consider subscribing for more updates. So let's go straight to the video. So this is the hook part of a full lace. I've done the back, like I started from the 10th hole, and this is where I am now. I'm going to show you people how you can vent this hook part, okay, because of how tricky sometimes it is. I'm going to show you people the easiest way you can do this. So the best thing to do when you get to this part is actually to place your mannequin head or whatever material you're using. Just place it in such a way that the knots, okay, the lace on top of the hook is very visible to you, okay. So when it's visible, you can easily ventilate on it. So depending on the pattern, the spacing you are using, for this one I'm using the 1 line 2 holes, okay. So I'm just venting, okay, corresponding with what I did down before the hook. I'm just venting, okay, matching with what I did. Well, that's why I said place your mannequin head. So you need to place your mannequin head where in a way that the lace is visible to you. So I'm venting on a hole, I skip 2 holes and I vent on the next one, and I'm skipping just a line, like I said, depending on the spacing pattern you are using. So I'm making sure what I'm doing, the place I'm venting, the lines and the holes are matching with what I started earlier. Like I said, I started after 10 holes, okay. If you don't know how to start from the beginning, please check my video on how to make a full lace, how to ventilate a full lace or 360. You will see exactly how I do start my full lace. So I'm making sure the whole stuff is corresponding with each other. That's why you need to place your net in a way that it will be visible for you, because the lace on this hook parts, the lace on top of the hook parts, it's not that visible unlike the other place, okay. So that's why you need to place it where it will be visible for you. So I'll continue till I get to the normal lace, the place without the hook. So I'm simply venting on a line, I skip a line, then I vent on a hole, I skip 2 holes, okay. I've already showed you guys how to count your holes, making sure it's corresponding with what I did, the ones I vented before the hook. That's why I said make sure you can see the holes clearly. Once you can see the holes clearly, you don't have any issue venting the hook part. So the next thing I will still show you guys now is how to, the hook part is kind of curvy, okay. It's a kind of curvy, so I'm still going to show you people how to curve it, okay, how to do the curvy part. So this is just what I will continue doing like that, okay. Everything is matching with each other till I'm done. So now this is the hook part, this is the kind of curve I'm talking about. So watch closely so that you don't miss anything. If you know you're finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. I make videos on ventilation, making of braided wigs, hair maintenance, braiding of hair, simple hair hacks you can do yourself, and so on. Please subscribe, like, comment, and then share this video. Thank you. So guys, watch closely what I'm doing here. I'm trying to go the way, like I'm trying to curve this area. I'll see if I'm venting using the diagonal pattern. I'm simply trying to make a curve here, okay. The essence of doing this so as to cover the hook parts. Some people will just start from the hook parts and then they'll move up. Okay, when you do this, when you braid your wig, the hook part will be showing, especially when you pack it up, unless you know that you'll not be packing your braided wig up, but it's not advisable at all. So it's better you vent before the hook parts, so as to cover the hook parts when you braid your wig, and you can easily pack it up and style it anyhow you want. So if you watch what I'm doing here, I'm simply curving, like as if I'm going the diagonal way, okay, the slant way, just simply curving it. So this is exactly how I curve my, and I'll still repeat the same thing with the other side. Okay, so this is just it. When I'm done curving it now, if you watch, you see how beautiful and how curvy it is, how I succeeded doing this. So this is simply how I do it. I have to do this video so that people can see clearly how I do I do all my fullest ventilation depending on the spacing pattern I'm to use. So when I'm done now, it's just for me to still continue with the hook parts. Okay, skipping my 2 holes and 1 line, like I said, depending on the spacing pattern. So guys, depending on the spacing pattern that you're using, I mean the number of holes and lines that you skip, okay, just continue that way. I'll continue this way now till I'm done covering the hook parts, then I'll move up and till I get to the center, then the front. So if you know you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I have a video coming up soon on how you can do the in-between line, I mean using the in-between line to make a full lace. I will show you guys that is actually the best way when you want to make the most natural, the most realistic braided wig. Then in between line is what you should go for. You can use in between line when you want to make your closures, your frontals, your full lace, and so on. So guys, I'll continue this way till I'm done covering the hook part now, then I will move over to the next. So if you know you found any value from this video, please consider subscribing. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, share this video. Okay, so once you are done with creating your curve, it's just for you to continue. Okay, continue with your vertical horizontal pattern, okay, till you get to the hook part, then vent on the lace on the hook part. Okay, do not leave the lace on the hook part. So you have to try as much as possible to make sure the holes are visible, I mean the holes on top of the hook are visible. Okay, just try your possible best to get it right. So guys, this is it when I'm done with the hook part, and now I'm moving over to the other side, I mean the up now. So this is it. See how the curve looks like when I'm done. You see that the hook part is well covered. That's why you need to do this. You don't need to skip the hook part. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. If you have any question, let me know. Okay.